Hey there, fellow curious minds. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating and mind-boggling world of viruses, those tiny entities that seem to defy the boundaries of life itself. I hope you're ready for a journey into the microverse because we're about to explore a topic that might leave you astounded. Join me as we uncover the secrets of the virus, unraveling the mystery of giant viruses. 1. The Invisible War. Hidden in the microverse all around us, an intense battle is being waged among microorganisms. Amoebae, protists, bacteria, archaea, and fungi are all competing for resources and space. Among them are the elusive and sinister viruses, small, abundant, and deadly beings that are not even considered alive. Yet, they manage to kill trillions of living organisms every day, with a sole purpose of taking over their hosts. 2. The mystery of viruses. Viruses are peculiar entities that consist of nothing more than a genetic material enclosed in a protein hull. They lack metabolism, the ability to move, and any will or ambition. This simplicity has led scientists to question whether viruses should be classified as living organisms or not. The origin of viruses remains a mystery, and there are various theories about how they emerged in the first place. With an estimated 10,000 billion viruses on Earth, they are undoubtedly the most successful beings on our planet. 3. Giant viruses, giruses. Recently, scientists stumbled upon an extraordinary discovery, giant viruses, known as giruses. Unlike typical viruses, giruses are considerably larger and come with more complex genes. These viruses have remained hidden from our sight for centuries because of their size and unique appearance. They almost resemble mini pickles or hairy geometric forms. Surprisingly, giruses have a preference for hunting amoebae and other single-celled beings. 4. Girus reproduction. Once a girus finds a suitable host, it enters the cell and creates a viroplasm, a factory within the cytoplasm of the infected host. The girus unloads its attack proteins and genetic material, rearranging the cell from the inside to serve as its replication factory. Some giruses even construct a membrane to protect themselves from the cell's antiviral defenses. Once the viroplasm is ready, it begins producing new giruses by utilizing the resources of the host cell. 5. Virophages, viruses hunting viruses. Now, here's where things get even stranger. Giruses have their own parasites known as virophages. These virophages are viruses that attack other viruses, mainly targeting giruses. It's like witnessing a dead thing killing another dead being, raising new questions and adding to the enigma of the microverse. The virophages integrate their genes into the girus's factory, leading to the production of defective giruses and even more virophages in the process. Conclusion. Isn't it mind-blowing how viruses, once considered simple entities, have revealed such complexity through the discovery of giant viruses and their virophage parasites? As we continue to study the microverse, we find ourselves uncovering new mysteries that challenge our understanding of life itself. The battle between microorganisms continues unseen by the naked eye, and we can only marvel at the intricate dance of life and death unfolding in the microcosm. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this journey into the mysterious world of viruses, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more captivating science content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.